Hello guys, RiderTech here. So, a bit of a rant. Portugal just announced that the bikes are going to have an inspection. Let's talk about it. This has been a long time coming. This is the directive of the European Union that all bikes should have some kind of inspection. And the Portuguese government has been dragging its feet for a long time on this topic. There's been a lot of manifestations, of protests. It's been one of those things that people don't like, and I agree with them. And I will tell you why I don't like this. So basically, every bike from 1 to 5 cc's and up. Well, 1 to 5 is excluded. So above 1 to 5 cc's will have to go to inspection after 5 years. So on the 5th year of plates, it will go to the inspection. What's the problem with this, you may ask? First of all, this type of thing discriminates small cc bikes that normally tend to be ridden harder and have poor maintenance, and basically it strips a segment of bikes out of the inspection. And keep in mind that this directive is for the safety of the bikers. Never mind that most accidents of bikes happen because of user error or other road conditions, stuff like that, and never by mechanical fault. But let's skip that part. So 1 to 5s and up and down, skip the inspection. So only bigger bikes. And then there's the money grab. There's a problem in Portugal about modifications in vehicles. This is something that in bikes has been abused because the police don't like that. Don't take the homologation of an exhaust, for example, into account. It has to be on the little pamphlet of the bike, and if it's not on the little pamphlet, imagine that the bike only has a special exhaust from factory. So it's the normal bike like that, and the police will pass you a ticket because it's not a normal exhaust, they say, and you basically, why is this guy over the line? And basically this is a ping pong ball that happens a lot, and the only thing that happens is people that own these bikes lose money. This is a common tactic. Everyone that lives in Portugal knows about this. Let's pass this guy. So it's nothing new, really new. It's something that has happened since there are bikes here. But what's the problem? The problem is that as soon as you have inspections, every year you are guaranteed to have this conversation with someone. Every year. And there's nothing saying what's a legal modification or not. So imagine that I put some heated grips on the bike. That's not an origin feature. So someone can say, this is not normal. This is a modification. Your bike is not legal to ride. Never mind that a pair of heated grips do nothing for the bike. It's just a comfort mod, but it may be seen as a modification, and this is the problem. There's no clear line of what's the modification, or at least not like this. There's a clear line of what is a modification. There's not a clear path to allow a modification without lots of red tape and sometimes not even an approval of the modification. This road is still all fucked up. Okay, now I think we are on the good part. Okay. Let's clean the tire a bit. But that's it, guys. That's the main grip that I have with this. I know that other countries in the EU already have this, but this is a problem. Sorry, this is a problem with the Portuguese government. Nothing else. It's a clear money grab, and the bikers are the ones that will suffer. Just that. Just that. If you own a bike here in Portugal, or if you come here, be mindful that if you stay here and you pass the bike to a Portuguese plate, you will have to keep this in mind, that you will have to either remove the mods that you have every year, or just it's the fine whenever the police stop you because you haven't gone to the inspection. That's it, guys. This is a little rant, a little bit specific to the Portuguese news, but I think that's important for you guys to know what you can expect here in Portugal and what may or may not impact you. It's like it's just so lovely brakes.